If you want to enable or disable flash notifications on a Nothing Phone 3, then first of all we can open settings, scroll down a little bit and go to notifications, and then over here scroll down in order to find flash notifications. Here we can enable the camera flash. We can also press preview in order to see how it looks like. Besides that, we also have the screen flash. You can also choose the color that you wish to use, and if you press preview then you will see how it looks like. And of course you can use any of these options. But besides that, we also have of course the glyph matrix, which can also be used for notifications. In order to set it up, we need to go to glyph interface and then over here scroll down in order to find essential notifications. And over here you can create your own rules about when and what should be displayed and so on and so forth. You can choose your icon, and while it is not precisely a flash, you will not really use the camera flash or anything like that, but it will be displayed on the screen. So that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.